Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making some super cute bows. This is very addictive to make, quite therapeutic. They are extremely easy to make. I have used some dies I have bought from Craftstash, from Simply Made Craft by Helen Griffin, and I had them on my desk for quite a while. It's on my list project to do because I wanted to play with my new toy. And I made this. I think it's my favorite. Those two are my favorites, and that as well, and this, and those two. Right, guys, let me show you how to make them step by step. Okay, so this is what I've got. This was on sale. I can't really remember how much I paid for, but it wasn't. Its full price is about, I think it's about £20, 19.99, something like that. I haven't paid that. I can't remember. If I remember, I'll put it on top of the screen. So this is a set of dies. So as usual, Simply Made Craft is a collection by Helen Griffin, okay, which is a British YouTuber and maker as well, part of the Craftstash brands. So this is the set. So you've got 15 dies and 17 elements, and it's called Dinky's Bows and Blooms die set. Now I haven't opened it, so how do you open there? Okay, so let's take a look. If you guys fancy, let me leave my comment down below. I can design a digital papers that we can make our own bows in different, maybe in different prints. So if I remember correctly, so you've got two tails, which can you, I guess you could layer them as well. Yeah, so you get the two tails, the main part of the ribbon, on the bow. So this is the part where you fold it in half. Then you got the sentiment. So you've got happy birthday, what have you got in here, with love. And what's this? Oh, you and for you, yeah. Then we've got some flowers. This bit is what goes around the bow to close it up. And then some flowers there, some more flowers, some more flowers. So I'm more interested about these. Okay, so this is the butterfly that it goes on top of your bow like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a little play. Definitely gonna use the two tails because I think they're gonna look very cool if they are layered. And I'm gonna try the butterflies on top. Leave it with me. I'm gonna go and do some die cuts on the Big Shot, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got two sets. I've got the more traditional colours. I have this from Stampin' Up when we made, a couple of weeks ago, I think it was, when we made the scrapbooking cards. So I have some of this hanging on my desk. So I thought, right, let's use them. So first thing I want to suggest, curl your bow. So when you glue it up, it will follow the curve. Okay, we do the same on this side. Okay, so and what we do, just put a little bit of glue there. Simply glue in there. Just keep it pressed for a couple of seconds. I put way too much glue, that's why. And then we do the same on the other side. Okay, so now we've got an option. So that's the two bows. You can make a 4 bows if you wish. So that will look quite cute. But also we're gonna have two different tails. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Let's make, these are very fun actually. I've not made bows for a very, very long time. So I'm just gonna use the fancy, the one with a double tail for now. And then I'm just gonna put this on top. So the colors blend together. What I do when I make the balls, trying to press with your thumb so it will stay nice and curled. Can you see how really nice and curled that is? Okay, so this is bow number 1. But what I want to do with this one here, I'm just going to use the butterfly. Just going to put some glue in the middle. I had my eyes on this set for a very long time, and I was waiting impatiently for an offer, and then as soon as it went to an offer, I bought it. But I must admit, very, very good quality dies. You can recognize when you put them through the big shop that you don't have to do twice. You don't have to go through twice. Good dies is when you do it once and they are ready to go. And then on the butterfly, I'm just going to put some glue in the middle there. And then press it there. Okay, so we get, you can either bend the wings a little bit. To be fair, I should have done that, but no, I'm happy with that. I think I'm gonna put a little diamond or something in the middle. So that's one. Okay, and that's the other one. I think I'm gonna put something in there. But what I wanted to try, I wanted to make like a 4 bow. So I've got here some music sheet. I just want this bow to be a bit more vintagey. And I got this paper here with the typewriting. So I'm gonna have a little play around exactly how we made these, but I'm gonna turn into a 4. I'll be right back. Little disclaimer, this is so addictive. So addictive, I couldn't stop. Let me show you what I made. So this is the first one. It's just a simple colorful bow, and I have here, and I keep forgetting to use it, to be fair. I got a big plastic envelope with all flowers, artificial flowers. I got roses, got stems, I got some large daisies, I got some gold flowers as well. So yeah, just pick one of them. So this is bow number 1. Then this is the one with the butterfly. And I just put 2 little gems in there. So look, it's the same bow, same size, but because of the butterfly and the different tail, it looks so much bigger. But it's exactly the same size. So this is the tail with the detail, and this just the tail with the like little like heart shape if you want. So that's 2. Then I had to play with the black and white and some music sheet. So that's 1 with the black butterfly. This is one of my favorite. And then there is this one. And to be fair, I need something white. Yeah, so you can see the tails. Because my my desk is dark, so you won't see the tail. So this is with the black tail, the music note, and the black butterfly, and this the reverse. So I've got the music sheet as on the tail, a black bow, and then a printed butterfly, and both of them's got a little rose. I think these are so cute, super shabby, super cute. Okay, then I made a variation of this with some lace. Okay, so this way actually. So actually no, this way. So when I was gluing the bow together, I just put the lace in between the layers, and then the tail on the background, and I just painted 2 roses in the middle, it's quite cute. So it's quite interesting because with the same elements you can have a different effect. And then last, and I left it for last because it's my favorite, that's the double bow. So it's 2 bows, 1 and 2. You can probably see better there. Yeah, so 2. So imagine that and that together like a double. And then I just put some of the flowers and the roses. Let me just pick it so you can see. Okay, so you can go, you know, you can build this and layer them. I was even thinking, I don't know if we can go any step further and put that on top. So that will create like a, I don't know if you can see on camera because it's black on black. I don't know what can I say to show you. It's probably, can you see better like that? So I don't know if you can keep layering them until you get like a very large 3D bows. But I think this is really pretty. Do you know, on a lace envelope, that look quite cute. Okay, right, that's it, guys. I finally used those. They were sat on my desk for a very long time. I will put the link. I'm not affiliate with craftstash, but I just simply put the link in case you guys wish to purchase them. I'm sure they will be in stock by the time you see this video, but yeah, just a few ideas on how to make pretty bows. Okay. So throughout this month, throughout April, I'm offering a 40% discount across everything on my website because it's my 40th birthday. So yeah, throughout April, 40% discount, everything, including my ebook, my junk journal workshops, my digital papers, everything is in there. You get 40% discount. Just simply use the code 40OFF. Okay, 40OFF in capital letter, and I will put it here on the screen as well. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Thumbs up, much appreciated. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and then until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.